My name is Jennifer Unser, and this is my 68 Beetle, Candace. So we bought this 68 Beetle Convertible from a couple of farmers in Indiana last summer, and we decided that when we bought it that we were going to take the Beatersville back this year, but COVID had other plans. So we modified the 68 to look more like a 65, so where the turning signals would be on top of the fenders, we put them in the horn grills on the front. It's actually a flaked paint with the candy on top, so the paint and the sparkle aren't in the same coat. The pinstriping was done by a friend of ours that we grew up with in the old neighborhood. All white interior, white top, bullet hubcaps, fender skirts in the back. Not too out of the box, but it's our baby.